Hello guys and welcome back. Have you ever wondered how the internet knows where to take you when you type something like www.google.com? It's not magic, it's the power of DNS. In this video, we'll explore how a simple web address gets converted into an IP address, and how that leads to your website loading in just milliseconds. What is DNS? DNS stands for Domain Name System. Think of it as the phone book of the internet, but instead of finding names to phone numbers, DNS matches domain names to IP addresses. You know your friend's name, but your phone needs their number to make the call. The internet works the same way. Let's break it down. What happens the moment you type a URL and hit enter? Step 1. Browser cache check. First, your browser checks if it already knows the IP address from a recent visit. If yes, it skips everything and loads the site instantly. Time, 1 to 5 milliseconds. Step 2. OS cache check. If the browser doesn't know, your operating system checks its own DNS cache. Time, 1 to 5 milliseconds. Step 3. Router or local network DNS. Still nothing. Your computer asks the local router or home gateway. Many routers store DNS responses to speed up internet for the whole network. Time, 5 to 10 milliseconds. Step 4. ISP, DNS, resolver, recursive resolver. If your router doesn't have it, the request goes to your internet service provider's DNS resolver, also called a recursive DNS server. This is where the real DNS process begins. Time, 10 to 30 milliseconds. The 4-step DNS lookup process. The recursive resolver now performs a 4-step DNS lookup. Step 1. Root DNS server. The resolver first asks a root DNS server, "Hey, where can I find .com domains?" There are 13 sets of root servers around the world. Time, 10 to 20 milliseconds. Step 2. TLD, DNS server. Next, it contacts the top-level domain, TLD, server. For google.com, it asks the .com TLD server, "Where can I find google.com?" Time, 5 to 15 milliseconds. Step 3. Authoritative DNS server. Then, it reaches the authoritative name server, which knows the final IP address of the website you're looking for. It says, "Here's the IP for google.com, 142.250.190.46. Time, 10 to 20 milliseconds. Step 4. Send IP to your browser. The resolver sends this IP back to your computer, and now your browser can make the real connection. Time, 1 to 5 milliseconds. Now your browser contacts the web server at that IP address, just like calling a number you got from a contact list. A secure connection is made, the web page loads. And boom! You're watching cat videos or checking emails. Total time from URL to website, 20 to 150 milliseconds, depending on caching and speed. Good news? All this info is cached along the way by your browser, OS, router, and ISP. Next time you visit the same site, your computer remembers the IP and loads it almost instantly. Ever seen DNS probe failed or server not found? That means something went wrong during the DNS lookup. Either the server is down, your internet is misconfigured, or the domain doesn't exist. So next time you type a website name, remember, you just triggered a global race of servers working in perfect harmony. All to turn that name into a number and get your data to the right place. That's the magic of DNS. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and stay connected for more tech deep dives.